Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. As the impacts of climate change become more evident, mindful consumption is more important than ever. And today's consumers expect brands to step up and offer sustainable solutions. Recent studies reveal a clear trend. 64% of today's consumers consider sustainability to be a key factor when choosing products. Even more compelling, 80% of shoppers are willing to spend extra on eco-friendly options, with some paying up to 9.7% more for items that are locally sourced, made from sustainable materials, or produced with a low carbon footprint. Selling eco-friendly products isn't just a responsible choice, it's also a smart business move with growing demand. In this video, we'll highlight 5 eco-friendly products that are perfect for adding into your store. Let's dive in. Concept of eco-friendly products. So what exactly are eco-friendly? In simple terms, eco-friendly products are designed with sustainability in mind. They meet strict standards regarding how their manufacturing, packaging, delivery, use, and disposal affect the environment. These products are often certified by trusted third-party organizations to verify their sustainability claims. The terms eco-friendly and sustainable are often used interchangeably. They both represent products or brands that aim to minimize harm to humans, animals, and the planet. Product number 1. Soy wax scented candles. The first product I want to highlight is our soy wax scented candles. Candles are versatile products with broad appeal, making them an ideal addition to any dropshipping store. They cater to multiple market segments like home decor, wellness, and aromatherapy, which is key for reaching a wider audience. But here's something you may not know. Traditional candles can release harmful chemicals when burned. Anti-cancer research even points out that many standard candles emit cancerogenic substances during combustion, which can seriously impact health. That's where our soy wax candles come in, made from 100% natural soy wax and featuring a lead-free cotton wick. They're a healthier, more sustainable option. What makes these candles even more appealing is their combination of wellness and sustainability. Two values that today's consumer care deeply about. As awareness grows around the danger of chemical-laden products, more buyers are turning to soy-based candles for their clean burn and long-lasting fragrance. Now, why is this product great for dropshipping? First, candles are lightweight and relatively easy to ship, meaning lower shipping costs. They're also a broad target market and strong repeat purchase potential, since people often buy candles as gifts for their regular use or for their homes. Plus, their stylish designs fit seamlessly into modern home decor, increasing their appeal as a must-have item in any home. With growing interest in eco-friendly living, soy wax candles are in high demand, making them a great product for dropshipping success. Product number 2, solar motion sensor lights. Next up are solar motion sensor lights, a perfect addition to any outdoor space. What makes these lights such a strong seller is their versatility and the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions. With increasing electricity costs and a focus on sustainability, homeowners and business alike are actively seeking out energy-saving alternatives. Solar motion sensor lights fit this need perfectly by providing automated motion-activated lighting that enhances both safety and ambience, all without increasing the energy bill. These lights are also designed with practicality in mind. They're so easy to install. Plus, they come with multiple lighting modes, whether you need bright security lighting or softer ambient glow for relaxing evenings. Their waterproof construction ensures they're built to last through any weather conditions, making them a smart and durable investment. So, why are they great for dropshipping? First, these lights are lightweight and compact, which helps shipping costs low, making them easier to sell and ship. They appeal to a broad range of customers and homeowners, to businesses and anyone looking to brighten up their outdoor spaces. With the rising demand for energy-efficient products, these solar lights are not only practical, but also offer long-term investment for your customers, ensuring steady sales for your store. Product number 3, biodegradable PET waste bags. Our third product is biodegradable PET waste bags, a must-have for the rapidly growing PET product market. One of the main reasons these bags are such a strong seller is the increasing demand for sustainable PET products. The pet industry in the US alone is worth over 150 billion annually, and as more pet owners become environmentally conscious, they are seeking eco-friendly alternatives to traditional plastic waste bags. These biodegradable bags address that need, providing a solution that appeals to modern pet parents who want to reduce their environmental footprint while still meeting their pets' needs. These bags stand out because of their perfect combination of durability and eco-friendliness. They're strong enough to handle waste without tearing, yet they break down naturally, which is a major advantage as plastic pollution becomes a growing concern. Consumers are more aware of the harmful impact plastic has on the environment, and these bags allow them to make a responsible choice without sacrificing convenience or performance. Why are they ideal for dropshipping? For one, biodegradable. Pet waste bags cater to a growing evergreen market. Pet ownership continues to rise, and so does the demand for pet products that align with sustainability values. Additionally, these bags have high repeat purchase potential, as pet owners will need to restock regularly. This creates an opportunity for steady, recurring sales. With a product like this, you're not just offering an item, you're tapping into a lifestyle trend that encourages consumers to make more environmentally responsible choices. Product number 4, solar powered outdoor furniture. Next, let's explore our solar powered outdoor table and chairs that light up at night. A perfect addition as we embrace the outdoor lighting trend this spring. What makes this furniture set so appealing is its ability to combine style, functionality, and eco-friendliness, making it an attractive option for today's homeowners. As outdoor living spaces become an extension of the home, this furniture set offers a smart, energy-efficient solution that enhances both the aesthetic and safety of any backyard or patio. The solar-powered feature allows for effortless ambient lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere without the need for external power sources or messy cords. Once positioned in a sunlight spot, it automatically powers up, ensuring that your outdoor gatherings are as beautifully lit without increasing the electricity bill. The dual functionality of this set, serving both as stylish furniture and lighting, makes it a standout in the outdoor furniture market. With more homeowners looking for more than sustainable solutions, this set's design perfectly fits the trend of outdoor space makeovers. Not only does it contribute to a more energy efficient home, but it also adds an element of safety as the gentle glow eliminates pathways and creates a more secure environment for nighttime use. What makes this product an excellent choice for dropshipping? One of the key benefits is its strong appeal to a growing market of eco-conscious consumers who value both style and sustainability. Plus, with Doba's US-based warehouses, the efficient logistics reduce shipping times and carbon emissions, ensuring faster delivery and cutting costs. This gives you a competitive edge in offering timely service and affordable pricing for customers without the complexities of international dropshipping. The set's unique combination of design functionality and energy efficiency makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor spaces with minimum hassle. Product number 5, Beeswax Food Wrap. Finally, let's dive into the popular Beeswax Food Wrap, a product you may have seen featured by home bloggers on YouTube and TikTok. These wraps are crafted from a perfect blend of organic cotton, beeswax, organic jojoba oil, and tree resin, making them safe, eco-friendly, and completely reusable. After use, a quick wash with cold water and a little soap revives them for the next round, offering a sustainable alternative to a single-use plastic wraps. On Amazon, similar products average about $18, with top sellers moving over 10,000 units, while our production cost is only $11, leaving plenty of room for healthy profit margins. The secret for their strong sales lies in their practicality and environmental appeal. At a time when reducing plastic waste is globally priority, these wraps provide simple yet impactful solution for eco-conscious household. They keep food fresh, reduce reliance on plastic, and fit seamlessly into modern sustainable living. The natural materials and ease of cleaning them make it a convenient, everyday choice for busy families who want to reduce waste without sacrificing functionality. Plus, their affordability and reusability drive repeat purchases and encourage word-of-mouth recommendations, essential factors for long-term sales success. Why are these wraps an ideal product for dropshipping? First, they align perfectly with the growing consumer preference for sustainable, zero waste solutions, a market that continues to expand year after year. Their high market price compared to low production costs means that you can enjoy a strong profit margin while staying competitive. Additionally, their widespread popularity on social media creates organic demand, making it easier to market and scale. By offering these eco-friendly wraps, you not only provide a practical, in-demand product, but also position your store as a go-to destination for innovative, sustainable living solutions. Now that we've explored why eco-friendly products are booming and highlighted some top-selling options, let's talk about how Doba makes it easy to find these winning products. With Doba's curated product list, you can skip the guesswork and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Finding products on Doba is simple and efficient. Start by heading to the My Doba section. If you've already completed your Welcome to Doba task, you will find the product search feature conveniently located near the bottom of the menu bar. Let's jump in and start exploring. From there, you will return to the Doba homepage, where finding products is easier than ever. We've organized everything into 6 clear categories so you can quickly locate high potential items that fit your store's niche. TikTok shop sections. Stay ahead with trending products popular on social media. Top ranking. Discover best-selling items that are already driving consistent sales. High profit. Maximize your margins with products and offering excellent profit potential. New arrivals. Keep your store fresh with the latest market innovations. Blowout sale. Access exclusive deals to boost your bottom line. Premium suppliers. Work with trusted, high quality suppliers for better reliability and customer satisfaction. By leveraging Doba's curated list, you can confidently select products that solve real problems, follow market trends, and drive sustainable profits. And the best part, Doba now offers a 14-day trial for just 99 cents, giving you the perfect opportunity to explore the platform and experience all the powerful tools at your fingertips. As you can see, eco-friendly products aren't just a trend. They're a powerful opportunity to grow your business while making a positive impact on the planet. And with Doba's easy-to-use platform and curated product list, finding and selling these in-demand items has never been easier. If you're ready to take your store to the next level, don't miss out. Start your 14-day trial for just 99 cents and explore everything Doba has to offer. And of course, be sure to subscribe to the Doba YouTube channel for more expert tips, product recommendations, and insights to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!